This little ball of fluff is an American kestrel chick, and it looks so upset because its home was destroyed when the tree that it was in was cut down. The American kestrel is the smallest falcon on the North American continent. But don't let size fool you, they're still ferocious little predators. Kestrels are cavity nesters who make their homes in the holes of trees or rocky cliffs. Because the nest is usually inside the tree, it can be easy to miss when you're doing tree work. When the homeowners noticed these chicks, it was already too late to save their original home. But we didn't want to separate these babies from their parents. So instead, my friend Trish and I installed a nesting box on a nearby tree. A safe, secure, and attractive home for the kestrels to keep raising their chicks. If you have trouble with small rodents on your property, installing nest boxes like these can help attract screech owls or kestrels to manage their populations naturally. And now we watch and wait and hope that Mom and Dad like their new home. Good luck, little kestrels!